Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OPPO A54s smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can make the Opera your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the app management category. At the app management menu, go for the default apps, and once at the default apps page, choose browser app. And now all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately means that from now on the default browser on your device is Opera. There is also the second way. So in order to execute it, open the Opera application itself. Here on the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar. Next, go for this gear icon, which stands for settings. Then scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser category. Tap on it, click on next, select Opera, and press set as default. And that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!